Just so you guys understand, Dave is in Florida, where his office is at, and we're doing this as you can see through video conferencing. It's really kind of the nice thing about how this program works.
So as Dave said, welcome from Florida to California. As you can tell, we are both mic'd, so this will be an exchange of information between the two of us. So this is not just a recorded webinar that you've played before. This is an interactive class. So if everything works correctly, as I got reset here, you should all have a cell phone in your hand. There's 9 questions. We're only going to go through the T. So, what does the letter C stand for? What does the letter C stand for? Well, we got 10. I think 11 people. There we are. Very, very good. This is why we need to actually show people that we can work harmoniously with other people in the district, with other people in the school family. Everybody benefits this way. One of the things to realize that whenever you're working with a custodial department, and you may or may not be privy to this, so if you are, I apologize. 95% of the budget of any custodial operation is labor.